Okay, so today I'm going to show you a glitch that I've found when downloading engine maps off of Yamaha's website into the Yamaha Power Tuner app. So to start this out, to get the data files onto your smartphone, I happen to be using an iPhone 11. I open up Safari and then I just Google Yamaha Power Tuner app. And right there, I select Yamaha's website here, and then it takes you to their PowerTuner app page where they have intro videos and learn how to use the PowerTuner smartphone app video. I find those decent for a general overview, but they're not a detailed description of how to actually use them. So the first map you scroll down to is for the 2021 YZ450F, which I've got the 450. So my favorite two maps on my bike right now are this current map we're looking at, the 2020-2021 YZ450 TP5 connected response / Torquey, and then also the Magic map for the 2020-2021 YZ450. Those two have been my favorite my last few times at the track. So I've already got those loaded on my bike, so I'm going to go to a map here that I don't have on my bike so we can download it. So this hard-hitting, loamy condition map gives you low RPM feel and connected to the rear wheel. So I'm going to hit the download map file, that black rectangle there, and it comes up with a prompt to download the file, which I will do. So then in the top right hand corner you can see the little blue down arrow with the circle around it. I'm just going to press that. So there's my file, and I'll open that up, and so you can see it's a PowerTuner file. When you hit the top right hand corner to send this file somewhere, then it gives you your options, and my understanding is you're supposed to be able to send it right into the PowerTuner app there in your list of options. So I'm going to press the Yamaha PowerTuner app, and as you can see, it just crashed. It did nothing, and I get that all the time. So the only way that works for me to get that file to download into the PowerTuner app properly is I go back to where I was, and I'll close out of that. So here I am back into that same file, and I'll send it. So hit the top right hand corner there, that send file button, and I will send it by email, and I'll email it to myself. And so there we go, the file goes as an email, and then I'll close out of that, and I'll clear the download. And then it should show up here in my mailbox, and there it is. So I'll just refresh this, and there we go. I received the email with the file in it. So when I open this same file that I had opened in Safari that crashed the PowerTuner app, when I open it here, and then now try and send it to the Yamaha PowerTuner app, boom, I get the message saying the data was shared and it worked okay. So it is now successfully loaded into the app. The app just loaded itself. So now when I go into the share file in the app, there it is, the hard-hitting loamy condition map that I just downloaded. So if I wanted to share this to my actual bike, if I want to share this to the maps I have that are working within my motorcycle, file within this app, I would swipe left, and then the green center is a copy, and then it gives you the option. You can share it to your machine, or you can share it to someone else. So if I want it in my machine, I will go done. So now when I go, so the bottom right hand corner, go to the options tab, and then you see the bottom selection here is return to machine select. I'll press that. Return OK, yes. So here I am at the main menu screen in the app, And so the machine, you can see that's my bike itself, and the share is any file that is coming from another user or from that I've downloaded. It always comes into that share file first. It doesn't go directly to your bike. You have to share it out of that file into your bike. So here the machine, that's my actual bike. And here you can see the top file is the one that I just downloaded off the internet. And it says the date on it, the hard-hitting loamy condition. And then when you look at this, the tan colored rectangles there that say map 1 and map 2, the second and third selections on the list, those are the two that are most recently loaded in my bike. So the last time this app was connected to my bike, those were the two maps that are in there. And the magic map, man, I've been enjoying that map. Anyways, and then the bottom 3 selections on this list that are highlighted in blue, those are the 3 that come from the factory. So when I picked up the bike from the dealer, those were the 3 maps it had loaded in it.